Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you two different chess reps in Vienna Game. Vienna Game max line depends C25. Okay, this is rep number 1. Let's go to the rep. First move is white end. White played e4, e5, knight c3. Okay, this is normal development. Then black played knight c6. Okay, now both knight attack opponent pawn. You can see here defend. Oh, this knight defend the pawn. This knight defend the pawn. Okay, you will see how to handle this match. Both players. Now white end, you will see how to handle this match. White playing bishop b5. White playing bishop b5. Now attack a knight. Why the bishop? Then knight come to here on d4. Okay. In the same time, you can see here, this knight attack this pawn. In the same time, this knight attack this one. If you can see here, this knight, if take black, easily take the bishop by the knight. Okay. Now go to the fourth move of white. White pushes the knight, then knight come to here, attack the pawn. That's why now white played push the pawn and defend the pawn. Now fifth move of black. Black bishop come to here on b4. Okay, now black has a tricky idea here. You can see I am going to teach you. Okay, now this bishop attack this line, there is a pin. This king easily castling. If white make a castling, that's it. Black win the game, white lost the game. White is resigns. You can see why white resign. If he take this one and cut the bishop, you can see how to black win the game, white resign. Okay. Next move is sixth turn. He made a castling. This is the very mistake move. If cut the knight, then cut the bishop, then wrap the bishop, and that's it. This game. Okay, this is Vienna Game wrap. Max length depends. Wrap number 1. Part 2 video. Okay, let's go to the part 2 video. Second chess wrap in Vienna Game max line depends. Okay. Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, this is part 2 video, Vienna Game wrap 2, Anderson depends. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4, e5, knight c3, bishop c5. Normal development. Okay, now you can see here, I am going to teach you this bishop attack this pawn and this knight control this squares and this squares and this squares and this squares and this and defend this pawn. Okay. Now we will see how to handle this match black. Okay. Now white push the pawn to f4. Okay, now you can see how to handle this match. If black has so many options here. You can see here black if cut this pawn, okay, and he will move like this, or he will bring the queen to here, attack this line, and bishop control this line. We will see which one is best for these pieces. Okay. Now black turn. Black playing cut the knight, why the bishop. This is the big blunder he made. Now rook cut the bishop. Okay. Then black push his pawn to d6. Okay. Now white push the bishop to c4. Now easily attack these pieces. You can see here This queen attack this line and make a check and take the pawn, and again if king move here and check, this bishop attack this line, this bishop attack this line. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Black. Okay. Now black played. Queen come to h4 and beautiful check. Then white turn. White push the pawn, then cut the pawn by the queen. Queen goes h2. Then you can see here seventh move of white. White pushes his king to here on f1. King come to f1. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Okay, if black has so many options, black push his bishop to here and beautiful check. If black attack with rook, then cut the rook by the queen, then he go to there, then make a check, he goes to there and again check, then go to there, then again checkmate. That's it. This is brilliant chess ref in Vienna Game Anderson defense. Okay, that's it this video. Today I am going to give you a puzzles in the last time. In the end of this video, I am going to give you puzzles. I am going to give you 1 minute. If you know the answer before the 1 minute, please share your answer below the comment section. Okay, this is very interesting puzzles. 1 move puzzles or 2 move puzzle or 3 move puzzles. You can solve the puzzles in the last options. Okay, that's it. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.